Crumbl's new Dubai Chocolate Brownie? Why buy it when you can make an even better one at home? Let's build the most luxurious brownie ever. First, whisk sugar and eggs until they're light and fluffy. Brown your butter until it smells like caramel. Melt it with rich chocolate and pour it straight into the batter. Fold in cocoa, flour, and salt and bake it until fudgy and perfect. But we're not done. This isn't just a brownie. This is Dubai level. Toast your kunafa until golden and crispy. Mix it with silky pistachio cream and spread that crunchy layer right on top. Finally, drown it in glossy milk chocolate ganache. Let it chill, slice through the layers, and listen to that sound.